We've got a special treat for you here tonight. We have Frank Montiforte with his living hairpieces. Frank, why don't you tell us a little bit about your hairpiece?
Yeah, thanks. Love to be here. You too. Now this here is my favorite and most popular. It's called the Donald. When you wear that wig, it makes your head feel great again.
Let's have a giant Wise Guys Cooking welcome for Frank Pope Benedict Montiforte. You know, the line between crazy and ingenious is often a very thin line. Our guest tonight, Frank the inventor Montiforte, often crosses that line. Let's welcome Frank.
My wife Angelina, God bless her. We're very romantic. I'm a romantic man. Most people, I guess, are romantic, you know. So I invented the cheek-to-cheek pillow, okay? And I'll tell you what it is. I like to go to bed cheek-to-cheek with my wife or people with their girlfriend or boyfriend, whatever makes it good. And this, here it is. So Angelina, you mind telling me, Angelina and I, we make a pin over here and we go cheek to cheek. Very romantic, very nice.
Let's introduce our first cook, Frankie Cherry Nose Montiforte. Tonight, what are you cooking up for the judges, Frankie?
Tonight I have my special gift. It's going to be broken leg of lamb.
Welcome to Wise Guys Cooking. I'm Rebecca Romano, and this is my Uncle Frank. When you're Italian, everybody's your uncle.